Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can give the blur effects on video in Canva. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva and you can see this is my video and this is a timeline. If it's not visible to you, go to the pages and make it visible. Okay, so now if you want to give the blur effects, go to the elements and search for blur. Okay, type here blur, then in graphics you can see the org blur effects. Go to the see all and choose any blur effects, like from here. Okay, choose this one. Okay, and place this blur effect where you want. So I just paste or put on that face, and here in the timeline or in this track you can see this blur effect start from start, and it will be in here. Okay, after that second 5 seconds it will be in here. So if you want to make this blur effect whole video, then just click on this in and hold it and drag to till in the video. Okay, and it will be apply to the all video, or you can reduce the timeline or place where you want, like this. Okay, so after this, after 8 seconds it will be start blurring, and now it will be, after this it will be removed. Now you can see this blur effect has been done. And same time, if you want to apply the blur effect another elements or another face, if there is a two face or two elements element you want to hide, then just select that blur effects like this. Okay, right click at it, copy it and just paste. Okay, this blur effect will be pasted. Now just select that another blur effects and just place where you want. You can increase decrease the size, and you can also change the size. Okay, it is here. Come to these elements, and this is our another blur effects. Now let me play from here. In this timeline it will blur that face, and from this timeline it will be blur another elements or another thing. Okay, you can see. So now you can download with your video with blur effects. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.